Hi everybody, my name is Ahmet Karabacak.
And my name is Mert.
My name is Semih.
In this video, we will give informations of Elon Musk's life. If you are ready, let's start. The engineers who changed the world and built the ground of where humanities are still in our lives with their invention, even though centuries have passed. When we think about the innovation of steam engines, which was the beginning of a completely new era for mankind, it's impossible to not remember that Charles Doyle, president of American Patent Office at the time, once stated that there were nothing left to invent. Aside from the incredible scientific and technological advancements which followed this statement, we are talking about renewable energy, humanless machines, and devices which explore the outer space. After all that, there is an inventor, engineer, and entrepreneur who left his mark on our lives. That's the man who landed rockets onto ships in open seas, who aims to build the first colony in Mars, and who created the electric cars which go up to 100 km per hour in 2.28 seconds. That's the man whom we see in news all the time. The man no other than Elon Musk.
Early life. His full name is Elon Musk. Elon Musk was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. He is a child of South African father and a Canadian mother. Elon Musk spent his early childhood with his brother Complin and sister Tosca in South Africa. At teen, around the time his parents divorced, the introverted Elon developed an interest in computers and relationship. He taught himself how to program, and when he was 20, he made his first software sale of a game he created called Blaster. In 1988, after obtaining a Canadian passport, Musk left Africa because he was unwilling to support apartheid through compulsory military service and because he saw the greater economic opportunities available in the United States. Education. At age 17 in 1989, Elon Musk moved to Canada to attend Queen's University and avoid mandatory service in the South African military. He left in 1992 to study business and physics at the University of Pennsylvania. He was graded with an undergraduate degree in economics and stayed for a second bachelor's degree in physics. After leaving Penn, Elon Musk headed to Stanford University in California to pursue a PhD in energy physics. However, his move was timed perfectly with the internet boom, and he dropped out of Stanford after just 2 days to become a part of it, launching his first company, Zip2 Computation, an online study guide. Zip2 was soon providing computing for the new websites of both the New York Times and Chicago Tribune. In 1999, a division of Compay Computer commissioned book for $307 in cash and $37 million in stock options.
Career. PayPal. In 1999, Musk co-founded X.com, an online financial services and payments company. And X.com acquisition the following year led to the creation of PayPal as is known today. In October 2002, PayPal was acquired by eBay for $1.5 billion in stock. Before the sale, Musk owned 11% of PayPal stock. Founder of SpaceX. Musk founded his third company, Space Exploration Technologies Corporation, or SpaceX, in 2002 with the intention of building spacecraft for commercial space travel. By 2008, SpaceX was well established and NASA awarded the company the contract to handle cargo transport for the International Space Station, with plans for astronaut transport in the future, in a move to replace NASA's own space shuttle missions. Falcon 9 rockets. On May 2012, Musk and SpaceX made history when the company launched its Falcon 9 rockets into space with an unmanned capsule. The vehicle was sent to the International Space Station with 1,000 pounds of supplies for the astronauts stationed there, marking the first time a private company had sent a spacecraft for the International Space Station. After launch, Musk was quoted as saying, "I feel very lucky. For us, it's like winning the Super Bowl." In December 2013, a Falcon 9 successfully carried a satellite to geosynchronous transfer orbit, a distance at which the satellite would lock into an orbital path that matched the Earth's rotation. In February 2015, SpaceX launched another Falcon 9 fitted with the Deep Space Climate Observatory satellite, aiming to observe the extreme emissions from the sun that affect power grids and communication systems on Earth. 2017, SpaceX saw the successful test flight and landing of a Falcon 9 rocket made from reusable parts, a development that opened the door for more affordable space travel. A setback came in November 2017 when an explosion occurred during a test of the company's new Block 5 Merlin engine. SpaceX reported that no one was hurt. The company enjoyed another milestone moment in February 2018 with the successful test launch of the powerful Falcon Heavy rocket. Armed with the additional Falcon 9 boosters, the Falcon Heavy was designed to carry immense payloads into orbit and potentially serve as a vessel for deep space missions. For the test launch, the Falcon Heavy was given a payload of Musk's Tesla Roadster, equipped with cameras to provide some epic views for the vehicle's planned orbit around the Sun. In July, SpaceX enjoyed the successful landing of a new Block 5 Falcon rocket, which touched down on the drone ship less than 9 minutes after liftoff. BFR mission to Mars. In September 2017, Musk presented an updated design plan for his BFR or Big Falcon rocket, a 21-engine behemoth topped by a spaceship capable of carrying at least 100 people. He revealed that SpaceX was aiming to launch the first cargo mission to Mars with the vehicle in 2022, as part of his overarching goal of colonizing the Red Planet. The following months, it was announced that SpaceX would construct a facility at the port of Los Angeles to build and house of the BFR. The port property presented an ideal location for SpaceX, as its mammoth rocket will be movable by barge or ship when completed. Internet satellites. In late March 2018, SpaceX received permission from the US government to launch a fleet of satellites into low orbit for the purpose of providing internet service. Founder and CEO of Tesla. Elon Musk is the co-founder and CEO of Tesla, overseeing all product design, engineering, and manufacturing of the company's electrical vehicles, battery products, and solar roofs. Since the company's inception in 2003, Tesla's mission has been to accelerate the world's transition to a sustainable energy future. The first Tesla product, the Tesla Roadster sports car, debuted in 2008, followed by the Model S 7, which was introduced in 2012, and the Model X SUV, which launched in 2015. Model S was named Motor Trend 2013 Car of the Year and received Consumers Reports Best Overall Car, while Model X was the first SUV ever to earn 5-star safety ratings in every category and subcategory in the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's tests.
SolarCity acquisition. When August 2016, Musk continuing effort to promote and advance sustainable energy products for a wider consumer base, a $26 billion deal was solved to combine his electric car and solar energy companies. His Tesla Motors in annexed an all-stock deal pursuit of SolarCity company. Musk had helped his cousins start in 2006, he is a majority shareholder in each entity. Solar and storage are at their best when recombined. As one company, Tesla and SolarCity can create fully integrated, resilient, commercial and grid-scale products that improve the way that energy is generated, stored, and consumed. Read a statement on Tesla's website about the deal.
Elon Musk's wives. Elon Musk has been married twice. He met Justin Wilson in 2000. After a contentious divorce, Musk met actress Taha, and the couple married in 2010. They split in 2012 but married each other again in 2013. Their relationship ultimately ended in divorce in 2016. Musk has also been involved in an on-again, off-again relationship with actress Amber Heard. Kids. Elon Musk has 5 sons with ex-wife Justin Wilson. In 2002, his first son died at 10 weeks, also from sudden infant death syndrome. Musk and Wilson had 5 additional sons together, twins and triplets. Other inventions and innovations. Outside of his roles at SpaceX and Tesla, Musk has continually attempted to make his innovative ideas a reality.